Ever wondered how the Earth, this blue-green marble floating in the vastness of space, came to be? The story is as old as time itself, beginning around 13.8 billion years ago, with a singular event known as the Big Bang. Unfathomably, all matter and energy were once compressed into a tiny point, smaller than the eye of a needle. Then, in less than a fraction of a second, this point exploded outward, creating a searing hot soup of particles that expanded rapidly. This marked the birth of our universe. For the first few 100,000 years, the universe was a hot, dense sea of particles and energy. As it cooled, particles began to combine, forming the first atoms of hydrogen and helium. These atoms coalesced to form the first stars and galaxies. Fast forward to around 9 billion years after the Big Bang. Somewhere in a spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy, a cloud of gas and dust began to collapse under its own gravity. This formed a spinning disk with a central bulge. In the heart of this bulge, a new star ignited, our sun. The remaining gas and dust in the disk began to clump together. Tiny grains of dust collided and stuck together, growing larger and larger. Over the course of a few million years, these dust clumps grew into planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. In the region that would become the Earth, one of these planetesimals gathered enough matter to become a protoplanet. As it grew, its gravity attracted more matter and it began to heat up. Radioactive elements inside the protoplanet created heat, and the pressure from its gravity made it even hotter. Eventually, it became a molten sphere. Over time, the heaviest elements sank to the center, forming the Earth's core. The lighter elements rose to form a thin crust. The Earth had taken shape, but it was still a fiery, inhospitable place. Over the next billion years, the Earth's surface cooled and hardened. Volcanic activity released gases, creating the first atmosphere. Comets bombarded the Earth, bringing water and other volatile compounds. Over time, these processes created the oceans and the atmosphere we have today. Life began to emerge around 3.5 billion years ago, starting with simple single-celled organisms. These evolved over billions of years into the diverse array of life we see today. So, the formation of Earth is a tale of cosmic proportions, a story of fire and ice, of dust and gas, of unimaginable forces and timescales. It's a story written in the rocks beneath our feet and in the stars above our heads. It's a story of how a tiny speck in the universe became a home for life as we know it. From the Big Bang to the present day, it's been a journey of around 13.8 billion years. The Earth as we know it is the result of countless celestial events and processes. It's a testament to the power of nature and the laws of physics, and it serves as a reminder of our small but significant place in the grand tapestry of the universe.